Today I'm going to teach you how to bypass any iPhone using this tool. So you can bypass any iPhone which is on the passcode screen or unavailable or has any kind of security lock on it. But this tool is not compatible with iPhones that are already on the hello screen or have a hello activation lock. So this is for only a passcode lock device and devices that are stuck in unavailable modes. So in your search bar on Google, you just type unlock tools, and you are going to download two things. First, you are going to actually download the setup or the application file and install it on your PC. And when you are done, you have to download the RAM disk file for the phone you are using. So if it's an iPhone 6, you have to download an iPhone 6 RAM disk file. If it's an iPhone 7, you have to download the RAM disk file for an iPhone 7. So first thing, your phone must be in DFU mode always before you pawn it, or it won't work. And when you are pawning and you have a problem, sometimes you need to update the phone. Yes, you need to update your phone using 3U2s. Another problem you might encounter is that when you are pawning, it might be stuck. That is because you need to disable the virus protection on your Windows PC. That can also cause that problem. Or the second thing that might cause it is that your phone might not be in DFU mode, or your phone might not be properly in the DFU mode. So you have to check all of those. And sometimes when the app is acting up, you can just uh, cancel it and then reopen it again. Yeah. So if you are facing any troubles, just troubleshoot your app or just restart your computer and that will resolve it. And when you are in the Windows for unlock tools, when you have the app open, you first have to go to the Apple section because you can see they have a lot of models there. You go to the Apple section. Once you've entered the Apple section, the first thing you are going to do is actually to pawn DFU. You will see it at the top right corner. It's just named pawn. So you are going to click on that. And you have to wait for it to finish. Once it's done, you select the RAM disk file in the box. As you can see how I'm doing it, you select the RAM disk file that you've downloaded. Once you've selected the RAM disk file which matches the phone you are about to do this process on, you put that RAM disk. Once the booting of the RAM disk is completed, what you do next is to you back up the passcode or the unavailable state, any state that your phone is in. Just make sure that your phone is not in the hello screen or the hello mode, because when it's on the hello mode, this app cannot help you. So you back up that passcode. Yes, after you finish backing up passcode and it tells you, the app will tell you your backup has been saved to a specific location, especially a zip file. So you don't have to worry about where it saves it. You just have to make sure that it has actually saved it. When you are done with that and you've seen that your backup is saved, you go to factory reset. And what that does is that it actually resets the phone into an hello state where everything is wiped out. So you wait for the phone to boot. Make sure it properly boots into menu. So once it's done, it will be at the hello state. So when you turn on the phone, your phone will enter a hello mode. And what you do after that is that you are going to repeat the same process again. Open the tools, go to the Apple section, pawn DFU once more. When you are done with pawning the DFU, you select the same RAM disk file that you used before or earlier, and then boot the RAM disk. And once the phone has booted the RAM disk, you are now not going to do the backup again because you have already done it. What you are going to do is that you have two options here. One, you can restore the update, and the other one is that you can restore and disable OTA. What the first one does is that it will restore your phone, but it will not set it up for you. You have to manually set up the language and other stuffs. But once you select the second one, which is restore and disable OTA updates, your phone automatically skips all the setup process, and your phone will just enter into straight into the menu like a phone which is already set up. Which that is the one I mostly use. So once you boot RAM disk for the second time, you just restore and disable OTA updates. That's what I advise, and you are done. Your phone is ready.